Hey everyone, we're at home today in the greater Knoxville area. Today I'm working on just getting some house stuff caught up. So basically, I guess this will be a day in the life of just like normal everyday chores, not really focused on like extras or anything like that, just what I do in every day. Right now, I'm trying to empty out the laundry basket of mine and Matt's clothes in our room. Then I'm going to change laundry over. I've already edited and uploaded a video for today. Kids are doing school. I will do another video on that because like we've changed our routine a little bit and everything. And I find that changing the routine constantly helps the kids to stay focused on their schoolwork and helps them to really just, I don't know, it keeps it fresh and keeps it new. So right now we're doing a new routine today. It's working so far for everybody else. So they're doing school so that I can focus on doing what I try to finish in a day right now for housework on a day where I'm going to be home all day. Not all day, but you know, I've got stuff later, but that's after Matt gets off work. So all day today, like during daytime. But right now I start with like my bedroom, the primary bathroom, primary bedroom and all that, and then I kind of work my way through the rest of the house. Sometimes I'll start at the laundry room if I'm expecting company, and I'll do from like entry points and then work my way outward so that the entry points get hit first. But normally if it's a day at home, I'll start in my room and work my way out, because I find that like once my room is done, then I'm more motivated to do the rest of the house as well. Plus it helps me to rotate out. So with hot water, with 5 people in the family, we rotate out. We do all of our laundry with cold water, but like if you check tags, most cotton clothes they recommend you use cold water. So we do cold water, tumble dry low, and then we only do hot water for the towels. I need to wash the new towels. These are the new, this is how massive the bath sheets are. Matt and I used them just because we could, but that's how massive they are. We're gonna wash both of those because we've already used them and we wanna wash them, see how they do in the wash. Because I might go back and pick up extra hand towel, like 1 extra hand towel and 2 more washcloths. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna wash these first and see how they do. If they do really well, I might go ahead and do that. Because I was thinking that I'm like, why did I only get 2 washcloths? I may use more than 2 washcloths. I also said I would show you in the video. Totally forgot. Here is how we organize the washcloths. So, you know, right here, this is the towel rack. These are where the actual bath towels go. This is where the sheets were, and we're looking at this weekend replacing that vent. I didn't realize until I was filming how bad that was rusted, and it was supposed to be like rust proof and all that, but it's also been it's been a while since we moved in. So we're gonna replace that. But this is where we put the washcloths, is we roll them up and put them on the edge right here on this towel rack, and then like the shower's right here. So we can reach through, grab it, and we're good to go. We did find that these have a tendency to want to get caught on this part. Not a super huge fan of that, but with the girls, I just tell them, you know, we keep it right there, and then I tell them when they're getting in to push it no further than there, which it lines up with like the toilet for them, and then we just use that. But my goal today, right now, I'm gonna get laundry caught up, get my bed made, then I move on to the next room. But that's basically where I'm starting today, is with the laundry and with my bathroom. Now I'd only do like a massive scrub down like once a week, but I do like touch-ups because ew, your bathrooms need touch-ups. So we're gonna do that, and then we're also going to wash again these towels. Then I'm just gonna take you along my process as we go. Bathroom finished up except the mirror. One of mine takes care of the mirrors. She does both bathroom mirrors, and she does a great job, so I just let her do it. And she wants to do it, so yay. So I just let her do that. Bed's made. I fold her pajamas whenever we're gonna rewear them, and we put them right there. All this is straightened out. So I started talking about it, and then I just kind of got sidetracked. What I do first thing in the morning is, because we do mostly cold loads except for towels and sheets and something else. Anyways, towels and sheets mostly. We start the day with a warm load to kind of get it going, especially on days where we're showering, and everybody's doing showers tonight, or today and tonight. And then I try to space them out every 2 hours as well. So I try to start the day with a warm load. So all of our towels from the bathroom, any washcloths, all that are in the laundry now. Maybe you didn't grab all the washcloths. I grabbed all the Bath and Beyond ones. to get them through the wash so that I know if we're gonna go get more of the washcloths and hand towels this weekend. But I just showed you, I put the new hand towel up for the second one because we bought 2. And then we're washing the bath sheets and one of the washcloths right now. See how they do. So I find with my washer, we do about 4 to 5 towels per load. But since the sheets are so big, I'm going to count them as 2 towels because for weight, because you don't want to overweigh your washer because it wears them out faster. So I have 2 sheets, a hand towel, and a washcloth in there right now. And that's the max I'm going to do with those. But normally I do like 4 towels and washcloths, or like 3 towels and hand towels and washcloths. You know, try not to overweigh my washer. But I have a warm load going now so I can do dishes later and have them do shower rotations after PE today. Now that my room's finished up, I can start focusing on the main part of the house. So right now I have a space heater running because, again, we went from like 70s to 40s and a heavy frost on the ground, and it looks like it snowed outside in late April. Yeah, I know. I know that's not a big deal for northern states, but for southern states, it's like we're already getting used to like summer heat. Anyways, this is all stuff to donate, haul off, all that. That's where all of it gets piled up. I put the kids' laundry on their chairs while they're doing school so that they can put it away later. They do have some things that I will give them to fold on their own, and I do teach them how to fold laundry. It's just I have more time during the day in between grading their work to fold it for them as long as they put it away neatly. And if they don't, then we work on it together and refold everything in their drawer to get it put away neatly. So I have a new basket of laundry to fold. I have clothes from yesterday in the dryer, the towels from this morning in the washer, and I am going to work on cleaning up the rest of this and getting it all taken care of. The vacuum is in here because he sheds every spring, sheds excessively. So like you can see a pile of fur there. So what we're going to do today is, the past couple days deep cleaning, we have swept out all the rooms and everything. So we're going to vacuum every single floor today and just vacuum every surface and get it vacuumed and cleaned out and looking really, really nice. So we're going to focus on that, focus on the rest of this room, and tomorrow, hopefully, we'll haul all that off. And I also need to sit down and make my meal plan for next week. Here is right after lunch progress. I did take a little bit of a break to help Rebecca finish up, I think it's her last book report for this school year, and help one of them do a history report as well. One of them is finished with school for the day, so she's finishing up all of her chore chart now. But today, instead of doing like outdoor PE because it's so cold right now, we just decided to stay inside and get caught up because we're so close to being caught up on everything. Got the humidifier running because the humidity went down again. And the humidity up and down like that just really causes everybody to have more of a cough and things. And so the ear, nose, and throat doctors like just running cool mist humidifier on the days when the humidity is down, and then you don't have to on days when it's up. So we're running it right now. Got everything cleared off. I need to shake the rugs out. I have one rug that goes there and then one rug that goes here. Shake those out, get them ready. This is all probably going to go to the truck maybe tonight. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. I might just wait till tomorrow to load all that up and then get groceries the first thing in the morning, then do loading up after. Go ahead and go through. So this part's finished up. Now I was going to do kitchen, but again, like massive load of trash, like boxes of things that I didn't want to show. We don't show like unboxing anything electronic, anything like that, or like valuable stuff. So like boxes from those kind of shipments are in the big box. That way nobody can see what they are, and we go to haul them off trash. And then we've got like a couple pizza boxes left over. The box from the shower rod, and then just we replaced Matt's work shoes. He's throwing out his other pair that have holes in them. And this is where the dog has decided he's getting rid of his spring layer. He does not let us brush him at all, and so we just try to give him his space and not do that. But then occasionally he just decides to come right here and shed all of his fur. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out vacuuming right here, and then probably just return to working on helping the other two finish school up before dinner time. Here's what the floor looks like de-furry-fied. Fur-fied, chubby-fied, puppy-fied, whatever it is. Dining room is pretty much finished. Floor's been vacuumed all the floors today. You know, like I said, I was gonna do that. The only floor I haven't done is kitchen. Probably gonna wait till tomorrow so I can take trash off. Our dump's only open 3 days a week. Yay. So it makes it a lot harder to haul off like really big stuff. But we're gonna finish off those brownies tonight. They're left over from Matt's birthday. Finish them off. What? See what I mean? He lays on the floor and he pouts. And he thinks we're going somewhere and we're not. At least, I don't know. We may be. I don't know. I do not currently have a trip booked, but he thinks we have a trip booked. Anyways, the floor's vacuumed. All the floors are done.